Guys, we are at the Singapore airport right now. Look at the America help me because we are riding on this e-scooter. Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. So this time we're traveling to New Zealand. The last vlog people loved it, so we were like this time also we'll do another vlog. So yeah, stay tuned. So we have a 5-hour flight to Singapore. Then we have a 1 hour, I think 2-hour layover. Then we have a 12-hour flight to Auckland, which is our first city in New Zealand, North New Zealand if I'm not wrong. So yeah, I didn't want it to vlog a lot, but I will start doing it regularly once this, because this is going to be a very long vlog because it's like 12-13 days and we are going to many cities. And yeah, I'm excited, so stay tuned, there's a lot of things coming. And yeah, we just finished our check-in right now. We'll just go to the security and then we will go to the lounge to chill. We have a 11:40 p.m. flight. And yeah, I'm just going to chill in the first flight and then sleep in the next one. Sounds. So we are on the flight now, on the way to Singapore. It's 4 hours flight. Just gonna chill, drink, watch something. The seats are very comfortable.
मजा आ रहा है मेरा जूस कहाँ गया
So guys, I got Wi-Fi on the flight and I'm very happy because I have Wi-Fi. Can't live without Wi-Fi, complimentary Wi-Fi. So yeah, I'm just like watching Royals and having peach bikini. And now I'm gonna have a cheese platter. I love cheese. So yeah, I'm sorted for the flight. It's just 5 hours and then 2 hours layover. And then the 12-hour flight you sleep because you're getting drunk on this flight. Hi guys, so we are at the Singapore airport now. The layover like 10. Guys, we are at the Singapore airport right now. There's a layover for like 40-45 minutes. And now we are rushing to a flight because we thought it was a layover of 2 hours from Bombay to Singapore and then our flight to Auckland. But now we checked, we have only 40 minutes, so we are rushing. And I'm still vlogging, though we are in a rush.
2,000 years later.
Guys, we have finally reached Auckland after 9.5 hours. I just slept in the flight. I couldn't vlog because I just slept. I was very tired. Like it's 10:30 p.m. here in the night. It's almost been 24 hours. In Bombay must be 4:35. So yeah, we have rented a car. So we just go get the car and drive to the hotel. It's 1:30 a.m. and we just reached the hotel in Auckland. We are in Hilton. And there's only one person managing the whole hotel over here. Just gonna go out from the room and sleep. See you guys tomorrow because I have no energy to vlog. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, good morning. It's 10 a.m. in Auckland. We just slept because yesterday we landed only by like, no, we came to the hotel by 1:30 because of it was far and all. So yeah, just slept it off and yeah, now we're just gonna get ready because here everything shuts by 6 p.m. So you have to leave early to enjoy the day in New Zealand. And it's 10 a.m. We had to leave at 10 a.m. but ठीक है, पहला दिन है, adjustment. This is the room. It's so pretty and you guys have to see outside. Oh my god, guys, the view is just look at the view.
बहुत मजा आ रहा है यहाँ पे यार लबे सीरी सा लग रहा है दिल गार्डन गार्डन सा हो रहा है
The sun is here as well. It's cold. It's like 14-15 degrees here, but it's manageable. Not that cold. Guys, so it's the first day now, and we are all ready to leave. It's 11 a.m. and yeah, this is my fit. I couldn't show my fit, but yeah, I'm wearing denim on denim and with a leather jacket because it's not that cold. Like it's day only right now, and I'm very annoyed because my top is very loose. Like, but I love it and we'll manage to wear it. It's okay. So yeah, now we're just trying to go for some breakfast. Then I don't know, garden cafe or something. Let's see. We have a car as well. I'll show you guys that as well. We've rented a car. We normally don't rent. We take taxi Uber, but we've rented. क्या कर रहे हो?
के लिए कैसे कर रही हूँ?
Like okay, that's what you chose, no? Not really transport. Very. Okay, we drive to the push कर दीजिए. सब समझता हूँ मैं, तेरा सब समझता हूँ. क्या रिकॉर्ड कर रही हो? Check this place. So French cafe. नहीं, so French cafe. Kind of food. Onions.
I'm wearing a helmet because we are riding on this e-scooter. It's too much fun. मैं हेलमेट पे कितनी पागल लग रही हूँ. मैं चला भी नहीं रही हूँ. स्टूपिड जैसे हेलमेट पहना है मैंने. पता है चलते चलते लोग मुझे घूर रहे थे. ये पागल हो गया. कि चलते वक्त भी हेलमेट पहन के घूर रही. So we are back near a hotel. We have like a full ferry area. What are you having?
Pistachio ice cream.
Gelato.
Gelato.
Guys, because I have tonsils, मैं नहीं खा सकती ज़्यादा आइसक्रीम. बट कभी कभी चलेगा. एंटीबायोटिक्स सब बैग में है तो can't miss this.
Nice.
देखो फिर आधे
इतने सारे पापड़ क्यों है यहाँ? बॉम्बे से पापड़ लिए है गिफ्ट.
या किसी को चाहिए था
पापड़.
या
What?
न्यूजीलैंड की थैली में इंडियन पापड़. Good morning guys, it's day 2 in Auckland and it's 7 a.m. currently because of Bombay time I keep getting up and here you have to keep getting up and the sunrise bro, it's right there, you have to see it, it's so beautiful. Just look at that. Oh my god, the water, the island over there, the sun here. I mean, it's so pretty guys.
What a feeling.
So today our plan is to go to some island. Yaki Island, I don't know. It sounds like a Japanese name though. It's very lame. But yeah, I'm just gonna be chilling, going for breakfast, admiring this view and see what to do.
One portion of rice.
कोई नहीं खाएगा,
कोई नहीं खाएगा.
कोई नहीं खाएगा. फ्राइज मत मंगाओ.
अरे मुझे खाना है.
अच्छा.
अच्छा.
चल चल.
So we are in Yeki Island. Now we are in Mulbird. First, it's a vineyard here. And we just took that. It's so pretty, guys. Just see. The weather is very good. The sun is literally out there. Damn pretty.
This one, we're getting a lot darker now. I'm with you on Tangi Valley. This is 35% Merlot, 31% Syrah.
Guys, we have reached Rotorua. And oh my god, the view is so pretty. This is so beautiful. We are in Black Swan. Swan?
कुछ भी
Black Swan Hotel in Rotorua, and so chill. I just shot a video which you'll obviously see on Instagram before I post this, but yeah, it's so pretty over here. So pretty. ये vlog में जाएगा.
बहुत मजा आ रहा है यहाँ पे. यार लबे सीरी सा लग रहा है. दिल गार्डन गार्डन सा हो रहा है.
Guys, so it's day 2 in Rotorua. I couldn't vlog because we were not doing much like yesterday, day before. It was very chill day. Like आज से हम लोग थोड़ा बहुत करेंगे because इधर बहुत ही chill है, मतलब बहुत ही chill है. So today we are at Hobbiton. It's a movie set of Lord of the Rings, the movie. So we are there in Rotorua, and these guys are so pretty. We'll be going there. It's like a full tour from 4 to 8. Yeah, we'll do that. Keep you updated. It's not that cold, but hawa zyada hai. The wind here is like a lot, so you need a jacket. मिक्स ऑफ धूप एंड ठंडी। देखिए लॉर्ड ऑफ द रिंग्स। लॉर्ड ऑफ द रिंग्स में कौन है एक्टर? तो हम उसकी सेट में जा रहे हैं और पता नहीं
कैसे कैसे लोग रहते हैं यार यहाँ पर।
So originally Peter Jackson wanted to put plum trees there as well, but if anyone has seen a plum tree in real life, you know compared to a little hobbit child and a plum tree, the child can't even reach the plums.
न्यूजीलैंड को बेकार क्यों बोल रहे हो?
वॉक ऐसा होने वाला था, मैं नहीं आती।
मुझे अपने घर जाना है। अरे बट कार्डियो है मामा, अभी और ऊपर जाना है। देखो उधर तक जाना है। You can't go down.
लूज नहीं करना उधर को, वुड्स वॉक नहीं करना उधर को।
वॉक वाली जगह बस में बिठा के उतारो फिर बिठाओ, फिर उतारो फिर बिठाओ, ऐसे घुमा के दिखाने का जगह ना। ऐसे उतार के इतना सारा थोड़ा कोई वॉक कराता है।
कौन है ये लोग? कहाँ से आते हैं?
रोज तो जिम में 1 घंटा वॉक कंप्लीट कर रहा हूँ।
हो गया 1 घंटा वो तो। हाँ चल रहा है, एवरी 5 मिनट्स से स्टोरी बता रहा है पिक्चर।
मैं तेरे को पिक्चर दिखाऊंगा।
बिल्कुल भी नहीं।
लॉर्ड ऑफ द रिंग्स ट्रिलॉजी है, उसके बाद हॉबिट्स की ट्रिलॉजी है, टोटल 6 मूवीज है।
तुम देखो ये, मैं जाके अगर तुम साथ हो देखोगी आईपैड पे।
मैं नहीं देख रही हूँ।
तूने सेट देख लिया, वो पिक्चर तो देख।
Good morning guys, it's day 3 in Rotorua and this is my outfit today. My mom dad said garden right. Anyways, I love the outfit. So today I'm wearing tracks and this tube because we are doing like adventure. We are doing the Skyline Luge, which is go-karting. It's called here on the mountain. Like you can see down like it's proper skyline view. And we are doing zip line, sky swing, and then we have 4 to 8 some cultural thing. It's something New Zealand culture. You will see that aage jaake. So yeah, but I love the sun, guys. Here, I mean, it's so nice. But the thing is, like here, sunset हो जाता है like 5 बजे. 5 से भी कम, मतलब 4:30 तक तो it's अंधेरा and 5:30 it's peak dark. But yeah, this is the only time you can enjoy the sun. वैसे मैंने इतना भर के सनस्क्रीन लगाया, पर ये करना बहुत it's like, you know, the feeling is different. Like it's so windy. Like from the other side there's cold wind coming in, and from this side there's hot sun. I mean, what else do you want? So guys, we are now gonna do the luge. Are you excited? हाँ? छोटे बच्चे कर रहे हैं।
छोटी बच्ची हो क्या?
देखो आजू बाजू। So we're gonna go down the hill driving like go-karting. Then me and Papa are going to do the sky swing, which Mom is not going to be doing.
2,000 years later.
अरे इसको पकड़ने के लिए तो नहीं है। ये क्या बकवास है? इन लोगों को कुछ तो आगे रखना चाहिए ना।
साइड पे पकड़।
ये क्या बकवास है? पागल।
तूने तो बोला तो नहीं चिल्लाती है।
अरे पर मुझे लगा इधर हाथ में।
अरे
ये दिखने में तो इजी है।
अब देख तू अब तू गया बेटा।
किसको आने का था स्काई स्प्रिंग? पहले पता किसको आने का था।
बहन डर गई
बेबी, किसको आने का था स्काई स्प्रिंग? सीधा अरे सीधे ओ तुझी बंद करो हाथ जोड़ के। मैं I'm doing it, 1 2
मम्मा को करना चाहिए था ये। इमेजिन करो अगर 360 स्विंग होता था तो। Oh my god, guys, we are in Skyline Rotorua. So we did the loop, just like go-karting. That was like a lot of fun. But my mom stopped in between and she got escorted out. And we were worried कि वो किधर है because you can't like call and stuff over here. And we did the sky swing. That was the best experience. Only me and dad did it. Mom didn't do it. From up you go and then you pull the string and you go down. I'll put the video up here. You'll see the video in like 1 minute. It was the best experience, guys. मतलब I didn't get scared. Like starting में थोड़ा डर लगता, but then you're just like I want to do it again, but we don't have time. We have to go somewhere else right now. But yeah, the best part of the trip was today.
Those date back to 1926. To our first ever meeting house. It was Elfie.
क्या समझ में
You
आ रहा
guys are going into a new made one.
Hi guys, so we are at the airport. So we are going to Queenstown, which is the south of New Zealand. It's a very early morning. I couldn't vlog that much because it's 9 AM. We left the hotel by 8:30ish. So mom and me are waiting at the hotel because we have rented a car. So dad is going to drop that car back. So our flight is at 11:35 AM. And yeah, we have 2 flights. 1 hour flight, layover, 1 hour flight. Then we reach at 5 PM-ish to Queenstown. Then we are gonna chill and then we have like a sushi Japanese dinner reservation. And yeah, the new problem here is that I gave my mom a power bank to keep and she left it or she lost it. I don't know. Where is it?
No,
You lost it? Huh? क्या डाला बैग में?
कुछ नहीं,
क्या डाला बैग में?
कुछ भी नहीं मिला.
बैग में क्या डाला? You do all this, Mama?
Yeah, I do everything.
You smoke?
Yeah.
ये सब क्या देखना पड़ रहा है? अच्छा है मैं अंधा हूँ.
We are at Christchurch Airport. This is the layover for an hour. We have a flight now. Then we head into Queenstown.
Really nice tomorrow for stargazing. Will be really nice tomorrow.
In the evening,
It's
I'm
just
sure
really
there'll be bugs.
No, it's below 10 degrees.
Okay.
So all the bugs are hibernating.
Okay,
So
okay,
there's no mosquitoes, no sandflies, flies in general. They're all gone.
okay.
क्या पी रहे हो ठंड?
Zero.
मेरी चॉइस थी. मेरी चॉइस थी मीठी थी.
कितने बार बोलेगी? कितनी तारीफ चाहिए इसको?
गजब बेइज्जती है.
Where are we?
Ferg burger.
That is the most famous burger in New Zealand. Ferg burger.
Beef burger, man. This is chicken. Also chicken.
Chicken?
Yeah.
Chicken, that's yours.
Pork chicken.
Le Malaysia, this is yours.
Amazing.
Have a bite.
This is fried chicken. That's beef. What you're holding.
Okay.
Superb.
Nice.
Such a bright sunny day. अभी वैल्यू समझ में आ रही है धूप की गाइस। जब इतनी ठंडी में टाइम गुजारता है तो धूप की कोई वैल्यू नहीं होती।
बड़ी अच्छी बात कही आप।
पर जब भी थोड़ी सी धूप की किरण आती है जस्ट लाइक बढ़िया। We are in Queenstown and this is like the city center here. It's a very small town actually. Yeah.
Let me check at the pharmacy.
We have a jet ski today. We have a short jet ride. So, just had lunch at a Italian restaurant. I'm going. It's the last day in Queenstown. Tomorrow we are going to Frank Joseph's 6-hour drive from here. So many flavors.
So many. My favorite pistachio. Why didn't you take Mercedes?
बिकॉज उसमें पीछे तेरी 5 बैग्स नहीं आएगी ना जो घर घर जाएगी 12 दिन के लिए।
Today is the last day in Queenstown. We stayed at this beautiful hotel called Azure Lodge. It was superb, the hospitality, everything top notch. And now we are driving to Frank Joseph, which is a 6 to 7 hour drive. We could have taken a flight, but apparently the drive is like breathtaking and very beautiful to see. So we are there currently. What's the time? I think it's 10:15ish. So we are just having breakfast and we'll leave by 11 for the drive. Along our trek today, so we're going to be stopping to watch like these scenic spots on the way. And I was like, I'll dress up nice. It's a nice floral dress, it's very simple and classy. So I don't want to go. I love it. Guys, that is a tree in the middle of water. It's called a Wanaka tree. Guys, this is the room in Franz Josef, the tree house. Hi guys, so we are leaving Franz Josef right now. We are on the way to Christchurch. Yeah, it's so sunny over here, but it's just one night we were here. We just had breakfast. This place called Full of Faith. Now we'll go. We have like a 3-hour drive to Christchurch, and then last day over there, it was almost about to end. So we have reached Christchurch. We are in this hotel called the Gorge over here. It's in the city center. Just reached. It's about like 6:30 p.m. over here, and it's so dark outside. Guys, look. So yeah, we're here for like 2 nights, and then Saturday morning we're leaving. But it's a very nice and buzzing restaurant. Hotel.
Good trip. Executive tour T. Perfect. Next trip is waiting for you, Karjat. It's like this weekend. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. Can't be greedy like that. One yearly trip से 2 yearly trip हो गया ना, तो total मिला, total कितना हो गया? Do 12 plus 12 कितना होता है?
एक टाइम पे 14 days तो चाहिए.
तो with travel तो 14 days हो गया. 11th को निकली थी तो 24th रात को पहुंचेगी. कितना हो गया बता? अब ये कंट्री इतनी दूर है, उसका मैं क्या करूँ? 20 घंटे लगते हैं आने को. ओए, क्या है? तेरा करूँ क्या रिकॉर्ड? लास्ट डे तू कर ले मजे. बहुत तंग किया तूने.
Thanks. Love you.
1 महीने के लिए जाने वाली हूँ.
बीबी तू ग्रीडी हो रही है, ग्रीडी.
नहीं, नेक्स्ट यूएस 1 महीने के लिए जाने वाली हूँ.
अकेले मेरे को छोड़ के.
आप आओगे ना?
कभी आओगे?
आप ट्रिप ज्वाइन करोगे ना?
बाकी मैं तो अकेले छोड़ के.
नहीं, आप आओ तो सदाई.
सदाई.
आप 1 month निकलते नहीं हो ना आप.
हाँ. क्या करेगी वो?
न्यूयॉर्क, LA, वेगस, फ्रिस्को.
ये सब कंप्लीट कर देगी तो मैं क्या करूँगा आगे फिर?
नहीं, आपके साथ करेंगे ना ये सब.
तो अकेले क्या करेंगी?
अकेले सिर्फ न्यूयॉर्क में रहूंगी थोड़ा.
Today is the last day in Christchurch. It feels so pretty. So we are just doing hop and off. We are leaving the hotel now. So guys, this is the Riverside Market. We are doing the hop and hop off. And yeah, this is the Riverside Market. It's time pass, very pretty. The weather is good today. It is sunny and nice. So we did a bit of shopping in the whole trip. So we bought this. And how you can see, it's my name written over here. It's not very visible, but yeah, you can see it. It's Malaysia Region Spendola, and we were in a shoe shop and we bought these because I wanted these since a very long time, and finally, and it's very comfortable. This is the new Regent Street. It's the most buzzing area of New Zealand.
Main Road, 27 steps.
Where are you?
Huh?
Last night in Christchurch, and we are at this
Super cute. This song is in my head now. Make some more reels, please, before coming back. Hi. What's your most popular flavor? What would you recommend?
So you're
Which one?
so you're